So the next thing in this introduction to algebra class is the degree of the algebraic term. So if we have an algebraic term minus 5x square, so the degree is the exponent value of the base. So the exponent is 2. So the degree of this algebraic term is 2. So let's take another example. Minus 3x square y cube. So the degree of this term would be the sum of the exponent of both letters, because letters are the base. So the sum of exponents of both letters is 5. So the degree of this term would be 5. So 5xy has a degree of 2, because if there is no exponent, it is assumed to be 1. Let's take an example of an algebraic expression minus 5x plus 2. So what about this? So this algebraic expression has 3 terms, and all of these 3 terms have degrees. So this term obviously has a degree of 2. This term has a degree of 1 because the exponent is 1. So what about this term? What is the degree of this term? So if a term does not have any letter in it, then the degree is 0, because this is a constant term. This is a very simple concept of degree of an algebraic term. Now the next concept is factors of a term. Factors of an algebraic term. So let's take an example. X square is an algebraic term. So x square can be written as x multiplied by x. So these two are the factors of x. So x square has 2 factors, x and x. Similarly, 3x is an algebraic term. It has 2 factors. It can be written as a product of 3 and x. So 3x has 2 factors. Similarly, a more complex example, let's say 15x y square. So this term can be written as 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x. This is a multiplication sign, multiplied by y and multiplied by y. So all these are the factors of this term. So these factors are very important when we will be solving these algebraic equations. So we will be taking common from various algebraic terms. So when you take common, so you should understand the concept of factors. And we will discuss this factorization in pre-algebra section of this course. We will discuss this factorization in detail and how to find factors of numbers, because these coefficients are numbers and you should be able to find the factors of these numbers. For example, if it is 51, so how to find the factor of 51? So these type of things we will be discussing in later lectures in the pre-algebra section. Just like any numbers, we can also factorize algebraic terms.